Guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Office OneNote error code 0xe00002 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing Microsoft Office OneNote error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open OneNote app in your system. Open it, and here from the top left corner you will find the option File. From the top menu bar, click on it, and here click on More and choose Account. Here from the right side of Microsoft Office updates, update options, click on it and choose Update Now. Checking for updates. Let the Microsoft complete the checking process. It will not only show you available updates, it will also update Microsoft Office as well as OneNote app, and check whether your OneNote error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows settings by pressing Win+I shortcut key, and here go to apps from the left side. Thereafter go to right side and click on installed apps, and here in search field type OneNote. Click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft OneNote app and choose modify. Because downloading updating process is in running, so modifying not allowed. Wait for some time till downloading complete. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Try to modify after some times. And the next workaround is clear Microsoft OneNote caches. Go to File Explorer, go to C drive, here go to users, click on your username, here click on open app data, here open local folder, and here scroll down and you will find the option Microsoft. Open Microsoft, and here you will find OneNote folder. Open it, click on 16.0 and open caches folder. Press Ctrl+A to select all items in this caches folder and choose delete. It will clear all your Microsoft Office OneNote caches. Now your updating process is open, so quick repair option is available. Now choose repair here. That's all.